Hello dear students, welcome back to social science class. As you all know that in our history textbook we are studying about the medieval India, medieval history of India. Here you have already studied about the different kingdoms which prospered and declined during this period. Also, we have studied about the different emperors, kings, their administration, their architecture. Also, we have seen about the towns and traders during that period. But something we have left out. We have left out about the people, those who were living in forests and villages. So today's chapter we are going to study about those people. So next chapter is about the people, those who were living in villages and forests during the medieval period. So we will see what was the condition of these people during the medieval time in India. So we will see about these people. The chapter name is Tribes, Nomads and the Settled Communities.
Tribes. Over the centuries, important political, social, and economic developments had taken place. But social change was not the same everywhere because different kinds of societies evolved differently. In large parts of the subcontinent, society was already divided according to the rules of Varna. These rules, as prescribed by the Brahmanas, were accepted by the rulers of large kingdoms. The difference between the high and low and between the rich and poor increased. Many societies in the subcontinent did not follow the social rules and rituals prescribed by the Brahmanas, nor were they divided into numerous unequal classes. Such societies are often called tribes. Who were tribal people? Contemporary historians and travelers give very scanty information about tribes. A few exceptions apart, tribal people did not keep written records, but they preserved rich customs and oral traditions. These were passed down to each new generation. Present day historians have started using such oral traditions to write tribal histories. Tribal people were found in almost every region of the subcontinent. The area and influence of a tribe varied at different points of time. Some powerful tribes controlled large territories. They were divided into many smaller clans under different chiefs.
Some of the tribal people were nomads. They were moving from one place to another with their things, to sell their things. Sometimes their animals or their animal products, grains and all. The Banjaras were the most important trader nomads. These Banjaras were used by Delhi Sultans and also by Mughal emperors for transporting goods, grains and also they were used in military campaigns. Hope you have got an idea about the tribal people during the medieval India. We will continue the lesson in next class. Thank you.